So guys, it's spring here in Denmark and I'm preparing for what I think is the best outdoor season. In this video I'm trying to revive an old moped that I had for the last 15 years. I'm gonna use that as a means of transportation when I'm going on trips. This is gonna be a fun one, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the video. It's been collecting dust the last 5 years. The last time I rode it, it gave a poof, and then it wouldn't turn on again. So it's been sitting here. It's exciting to see if I'm able to start it again. If I can get it out. So it's a bloody mess in this garage right now. But here it is. Let's get this out of the way. Usually I replace the spark plug and then I change the oil and the gasoline. Yeah, I'll just try and start it to see how it sounds. Just like that. Just pump it to 30 psi and yeah, that's the same as 2 bar. I could see the fuel in the hose when I turned it on, and when I start pumping here, as you can see, there's just a small hand pump right there. I should be able to, yeah, as you can see, fuel is coming out now, so that should be fine. And a cool part when you're doing trips, I think it's very awesome to have pedals, so you're able to, if you run out of fuel, you're able to use it as a bicycle instead of having a Kickstarter. Sounds like it's not getting enough fuel, so I'll just try and pump some more. Let's try again. That is also pretty good exercise. Whew. Here we go. Oh, this is brand new. So I just took out the spark plug to check if the reason why it doesn't work. I do have a box of spare parts, and I actually had a brand new spark plug, so I'll just try that one to see how that sparks compared to the old one. That's actually a bit better. This throws 2 sparks instead of 1, so let's just try and connect that. Just like that. Let's try it again. Let's pump some fuel. Here we go. Let's try now. See if that makes any difference. Problem solved. So yeah, problem solved. So actually what, like I told in the beginning, usually it's the spark plugs on these old mopeds. If not the carburetor, then the spark plug. Perfect. So 5 years in the barn, no new fuel on it, just changed the spark plug, adjusted the carburetor a bit, and that's it. I love these old mopeds, they're so awesome. Almost like a Kickstarter. My car's parked right over there. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But let's get some gear and then I'll show you how I'm going to pack this Bushcraft moped. Obviously I bring a lock. That's a priority, so I'm able to secure the bike. I have a spare can of gasoline that I fill. So I have 5 liters and 5 liters in the tank, and that would get me pretty far. Some elastic cordage, and then I have some paracord, and I'll use that for securing the items. But on a small trip like this, I would usually bring, this is just a sleeping pad, a thin one, to insulate me from the ground. Then I have my Carinthia sleeping bag. This is a great quality sleeping bag. Can't remember what degrees this goes down to, but this is primarily a spring and summer sleeping bag. I have myself a tarp, 3x3, so I'm able to do a shelter. Then I have my food pouch. This is usually just for bringing some food to organize it. Then I have my Hulteforce axe as a cutting tool and a means of preparing firewood. I have my Baco Laplander. This is a folding saw. This is also a really great piece of equipment. To cutting down branches, to making shelter, preparing firewood, or whatever you would need to do in the forest. I have a knife. This is a Rat Tree, Ontario, made in the USA. An old knife that I've used for a long time. I sanded down the strip of paint, so I'm able to use it with my fire steel. My ferro rod. Then I have my cooking setup. This is just a steel cup with a 1 liter of Nalgene bottle. And this is my Bushcraft Essential, a small fire stove. You could use gas, alcohol, or firewood with this stove. I have my bag. Down here I have my small fire kit with some Phoenix fireballs and my ferro rod. Then I have a foldable sitting pad. It's nice to have something to insulate you from the ground when you're outside. I have this big ferro rod, and I'm able to use the knife for scrapings, just like that. Yeah, and that's it, guys. So, let's pack up the items and see how it fits. Just like that. The sleeping bag is secured. And this goes on my back. So guys, this is gonna be my summer setup. If I'm not hiking, then I'm going to take this moped. This is nostalgic. It's what I used when I was a kid, and it brings back a lot of memories. It's fun, and it's in weather like this, it's just perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be doing some videos this summer where I take this out on trips and yeah, just having a blast. Doing some bushcraft and gear testing out in the wild. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, guys.